Hi, thanks for watching. This video is going to show you how to create a job rejection letter for the job applications that we created in the previous video demonstrations. So we're going to need a second form for that. So after you've logged on and gone to your forms, click New Form button. Okay. We're going to want to drag some of the same fields on. This time I'm just going to grab the address search instead of the entire address control. I'm just going to set some of these field names again. And we'll just fast forward until we've finished naming them. Okay, I've renamed those fields. I'm just going to make one change up here. Now with our rejection letter we want to have an extra section. So I'm going to click Add Section. And we'll put company details. We'll call this company name. Put in the name and the position of the person responding. Okay, and that's all we're going to need for this simple demo. So I'm going to save and publish the form. Publish the form. Okay, now in just a second I'm going to switch over to Word and we're going to add some of these field names into our document template. Okay, so here we are with the document template that we're going to use for our rejection letter. If you remember previously, the Word add-in for ZumeForms can load your form and field names. So I'm just refreshing this, and now we have a new form called Job Application Rejection. I'll click on Job Application Rejection, and on the right we've got the list of fields from that form. Right. So now it actually starts getting quite easily. Often businesses already have their documents, but they've been using them for a long time, and typically like this one, just have marked up positions where someone comes in and copies and pastes or types the actual answer. So if I click the field button on the toolbar here now, before if I cancel that, let's just copy over where the name goes, click on field, and type applicant name long. It comes up automatically because we loaded the form already, and click OK. In the next line, we highlight address, and instead of the one that's already there, let's find the applicant address field and click OK. We're not using that field anymore. Let's just copy applicant name into there. So we want the first name this time. And click OK. And here we'd like to have our company name. Let's copy and paste that down to the other location as well. I lost a bit of formatting there, so let's just use Word to clean that up. And only 2 more to go. Go to our fields. I think here we want the manager name. Manager name. And I think we've called it manager position. Okay, so I think we're ready to go. Let's click Save. And in just a moment, we'll go back to the form builder, upload the document template, and see how it goes. Okay, step 3. Let's upload the document template that we just updated. And don't import the fields. Let's save and publish that. Now the next section, the next step that I'm going to show you is something new and pretty cool. So let's go to your records. Now you might remember at the very start I said that you could key something once and reuse it as many times as you want in a second, third, or any subsequent form. So I'm going to show you how that's going to work now. Jane Doe has submitted her job application, whether through ZumeForms.com or through an embedded form in your own website. Now you'll be able to see her job application as we can here under your records. So once you've found her file and you've evaluated her application, you can click New Form for Record. If I just hover over Jane's record. So the pop-up window gives me a choice of which forms I'd like to use this file in. And this time I want to reply to her with a job application rejection. So what it's done is it's opened the rejection form and it's loaded Jane's file into the form. And that's why it's important to name the fields so that they are reusable between each form. So Jane, basic information is there, including her address. And what we'll call this is Acme Company. The manager's name is Bob. And let's click Submit and click Close. Okay. If we go back to your records now, we'll see something different. Because we reused Jane's file, the rejection letter shows up inside her record. So you can see that there's a job application and there's a job application rejection. If I click Open PDF and download the document, we can see her candidate rejection letter with Jane Doe, 10 Main Road, with Acme Company from Bob. Obviously a very simple document, but I imagine that you're probably getting the idea by now. Now just as a bonus exercise, I'm going to go over a lesson from a couple of videos again, how to embed the form in your own website. Let's close this tab, go back to the form builder, let's go to your forms, let's go to the application rejection and go build form and bring up the embed form option. Let's put that in our demo HR site, which I think was hr.zumeforms.com. And remember, this is just our test site, but this could be any website on the internet, including yours. Okay, so on the front page we had our job application. I'm going to need to log in as the administrator of this website. Okay, now that I'm logged on, I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to call it rejection letter. I'm going to paste that code in that I got from the form builder. Copy and paste, and then publish. Obviously I'll need to do one more thing. I'll need to have a link on my website that can load that page. So in WordPress, you handle that by going to the menus, and I'm going to add the rejection letter, add it to the main menu, and create menu. Okay, now that that's done, if I go back to the home page for this demo site, you can see at the home page we have our original job application form showing. If I click on rejection letter, we have the rejection letter embedded in your website. So thanks very much for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get automatic notifications. Thanks for watching.